Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is an unboxing video. Last week I ordered some things from TKB Trading and it just got here. It took about 3 to 4 days to get here. So it's in the mail and I thought I would film it for you guys. So let's get right into the video. So here it is. I'm going to open it right now. This bubble wraps or whatever, and then there's this big bag. This is a syringe beds, syringe 6 pipettes, 50 by 3. So here's what it looks like. This is Global Easy Glide syringe. Very good. I also ordered this is cute. I love the bag. Some spatula. It's a set. And here, what could be in this, guys? So I'm going to open this right up. Here's the TKB Trading lip gloss base. It is the 3.5 pounds gloss base Versagel. It says TKB Gloss Versagel, 3.5 pounds, 1.6 gauge. Here, I really can't wait to show you guys what I'll be making with this. Like that. These are the things I ordered. So it's the syringe, the spatula, and the lip gloss base. And all this. So here I paid $10.55 for shipping, and everything I ordered was $57.25. So all of this was $57.25. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.